Welcome to Appspotr Academy. Today's focus is on the string conditional logic block. This tool evaluates conditions based on string values, allowing you to perform comparisons and determine if certain conditions are met, such as verifying data formats or comparing user inputs. Imagine you're developing a messaging app that filters out certain keywords to maintain a positive environment. You could use the string conditional logic block to check if a user's message contains any restricted words, and then take appropriate action based on the result. Let's go through the steps to add and configure the string conditional logic block in your workflow. Drag the string conditional logic block into your workflow to integrate it into your application's logic. Next, connect the string conditional block to an event from your view. This event, defined as an output event in the view component, will trigger the string condition evaluation. Click on the string conditional block to open its configuration settings. Here are the key configuration steps. Select the string operation you want to perform from the drop-down menu. This could include operations like checking if a string contains a specific substring, comparing two strings for equality, or determining if a string matches a particular pattern. The block will output a true or false value based on the result of the string operation. This output can be used to control the flow of your application's logic, such as directing it to different actions or screens. Finally, set up toast messages for on success and on error scenarios. These messages provide feedback to the user based on the outcome of the string condition.